Hey, it's Dr. Ilker, professional colorist. Let me drop a little secret that most colorists do not really talk about much. In color grading, we love obsessing over highlights and shadows. And yes, they are essential for shaping contrast and also drama. But the real magic, it is usually right in the midtones. Midtones carry the emotional weight of an image. In this shot, notice how the light rolls across the boy's face. Soft, natural, dimensional. There is no harsh black or clipped white, just beautifully shaped contrast in the midst. This is where you build the mood, both with luminance and color. Push the midtones a bit brighter and you add openness. Nudge them cooler and you create emotional distance and loneliness. That subtle shaping in light and tone brings the image to life. Trust me, once you start seeing it, you can't unsee it. This is where cinematic begins.